Hi guys, we're at Antrim level crossing, County Antrim, need obvious 28. Bang, bang. Bang and bang. All barriers bang this time, but last time I went only that barrier didn't bang. Time now is 12:46 on Monday the 8th of March 2021, and this is for your, there it is now, 12:47 Northern Ireland Railway service from Great Victoria Street to Portrush. You know, I've noticed it's quite sunny today. Like, in the early hours in the morning, it was quite cloudy and bad, stuff like that. Now, look, I saw the shine of my eyes. I'll not show it, but it's flipping bright. Ah, here we go. It's running. It's not running, it's driving. I think it's gonna do the horn. 412. To Portrush, and up they go. Thanks guys, see you in the next video. Yes. Yeah, it is. MISUSE. Here at Antrim level crossing, County Antrim, need obvious 2 bit. Oh my god. Hey! You could have used the bridge over there. You can't misuse the crossing like that. Straight to police you're going. Right, the time now is 13:11 on Monday the 8th of March 2021. This is for your 1314 Northern Ireland Railway service from Dare Group to Great Victoria Street. Oh my god. That was the worst misuse I've ever seen. Wait, no, it's coming this way. Flippin' hell. Wow. Do not misuse the crossing like that again. If you guys are watching this, you're getting fined £1,000. Sorry, that's just from the industrial estate over there. Ah, here we are. Alright, what is it? 406. to Great Victoria Street, and up they go. Thanks guys, see you in the next video. Oh my god, another one. Here at Antrim level crossing, County Antrim, obviously 28. Oh my god. No bang out of this one. However, there is in this one. Bang bang. That guy's an idiot. Time now is 13:45 on Monday the 8th of March 2021. This is for your there it is. 47 Northern Ireland Railway service from Great Victoria Street to Derry, London Derry. and training. Second misuse, caught on camera. Third actually. One on the same closure. Two in the same closure, sorry. .407. To Durland Dairy, and up they go. Thanks guys, see you in the next video. Sorry I had to shout there, it's just that lorry. That's it till tomorrow.